Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of the blueberry compote mead. Now, primary is generally done in maybe a month, right? Well, it's been a while. I finally had the time to take care of this. So this was started on September 26th. It is now November 12th. There's a lot of space in here. I really want to get it into a carboy. So that is what we're doing today. I'm gonna rack this, test it, see how it's doing, and then we'll go from there. Ooh, that is fragrant. So this should be done because it had 3 pounds of honey plus 12 ounces of maple syrup. I shouldn't have to add any more sweetener to this, but we'll see. This is like red. I'm excited to taste this one. So it's been sitting for about a month and a half. Oh, the lees at the bottom's pretty solid. I don't really mind drinking sediment, so I'm just going to. Let me take a reading. Thank God it's not dry. All right, it's about 1.022. So I just poured all of this back in here. Let's see how this thing tastes. I can smell the melter honey. Whoa, holy honey moly. I do get the maple syrup at the end. It's nice. It still has like I mean, it's only a month and a half old, so there is still kind of like a fresh tartness about it, but it is actually, it's nice. I think this one's gonna be really nice. It's interesting because I used a pound of that melter honey. It has like a deeper malty kind of flavor to it, which I find really interesting. I'm going to kind of feel like I want to stir this just a little bit. There's definitely still a lot of gas in here. I want to make sure I kind of periodically degas just a little bit. My original meads, which had sat for forever, I don't remember if I did stir them or not before I bottled, but when I open them, they hiss because there's so much gas built up, even though they sat for like 5 months, you know? Yeah, if this thing is done, let me check what the gravity is gonna be on it. My airlock's kind of gross, actually. My airlock just broke inside of this. Luckily I have more. Just a day in the life. Ta-da! It looks nice. I'm not worried about this headspace because it's gonna get bottled before that becomes a problem. But that's about it. Oh, I wanted to check how high the AVB is. Starting gravity minus final gravity times 131.25, or if you go by Brian's method from CS Brews, it's times 1.35. We'll see the differences here. So according to the traditional method, this mead is 14%. Yeah, if you times it by 135, it's only about 14 and a half. So 14 to 14.5%. That's not bad, actually. We'll see if this keeps fermenting or not. I don't know if it will. I mean, it's already been sitting for quite some time, so I would think it's done, which is shocking to me because most of my D47s have gone to like 16%. This is only about 14, so all right. Well, I'm gonna end this here. This is surprisingly good. I think I'm gonna drink more of the dregs. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I would appreciate it. I get a lot of views, I guess, but not many subscribers. So thank you ahead of time if you do subscribe. Bye.